Extreme weather over here. We are actually looking at how much CAPE is going on during the atmosphere over time, but will be slowly cooler down. And then also we need to look at the tropical storms to see that out over time to see how much these storms are going on over time throughout of the history during the by the Great Lakes and by the North Plains also. We need to keep a lookout on the like around 2 p.m. and then slowing down then will be maybe another round. Who knows how much gonna be a good pop up. But I think the good big one is the 3 p.m. That's when you have a good amount of cape. Now it's just going slowly down and then maybe a pick up on the 17th and it slowly down on the 18th. Who knows what's going on? And also we need to still look it out how much these tropical storms to pick it up. There's one down there, but we don't know will it be hit by Haiti or not, or somewhere else. We need to look out for it. It will keep an eye on it. It's coming on a maybe on Saturday on a good gonna be a tropical storm during like 1 p.m. and then will it be a good hurricane, but the most going eventually hit Bermuda, but we don't know where it could be. It's going to get a little bit stronger and then more head towards Bermuda by the way, but still we don't know how much these threats over time will take place. This event, the topical, and also there's another one. Just I was looking for this one, and another one appeared. I maybe I like around the 17th. There's another chance for a tropical storm to develop, and then have towards the north, then to turn downward, and to see a like around like say, and it's like on Monday it's gonna be a good one. It's a massive hurricane or something like that to keep a lookout for that. And also maybe there's other things to look out for that. And to the hurricane outlooks, like in 5 days, there's another one, and also there's a like another one headed towards up there, and another one maybe could up or could straight to Haiti or not. We need to keep a lookout that. And also suddenly there's some way to get some snow over time because the cold air on the west coast that we going on over time to see how much snow will pop up over there. But we need to look out the long term forecast to see how much snow will be. But it's gonna be not gonna be accuracy, but we're going to see a better picture of what's going on over time. And the GPS will get us maybe a good picture of the snow totals over time. How much these snow totals will be in the inch. There's just gonna be a lot of snow maybe around the west, but we need to keep a lookout on the 21st during the little bit of fall, and the Rockies will have some snow over time, but it's a little bit in you know by Colorado, but we need to look out for that. But on the 29th some around the Maryland area will have some snow is still out there, but we need to keep a look for that. And also, there will be, maybe there's a chance for a Arctic air area to see over time, see how much above average temperature will take place to see what's going on with the temperature. To see how cooler will going to get over time on the 26th and also or the 27th. Who knows will happening over time, but we don't know how much cooler area going to take on the 2017th because the cooler air, the warm air, you get thunderstorms. Maybe around Kansas area on the 17th there's a chance for thunderstorm. And also without this big outcome is with above average temperature to clean out how cooler it will be during the fall season. And also severe weather over time. But there's going to be not very much little bit problem without away from the tropical storm. But we need to still pin out what it is could be. There's low pressure and it will be another low pressure will slowly forming and then will be out this way and then this 100 bars and then will going to appear on the 18th to keep a look out for that to see it coming in your way. And also there's other things still how much we are still the clouds was huge. There was a lot of see on the there's lots was a lot of chance for the thunderstorm piling up, but now it's so dark. But we can still a little bit can see it is still out there, but slowly weakening because the daytime is gone because there's no cave, but it's downward over time. But we still maybe pin out the forecast for the days. The thunderstorm was all the way to Locoma, all the way to round to Canada area. That's how big or what the range was, but slowly weakening over time to pin out the location and also how much these storms popping upwards and then to slowing down this to see how much dew points in case will be there still out there to see how much these dew points will be in each area is there's 72, but see how much will be going to change over time with humidity but there's something could be out there. Who knows? But it could be our humidity will fueling any thunderstorm will appearing. But we still don't know about the models. But we are still looking for that to in case will happening over time to appearing daily forecast. Still, how much the temperature going to be really hot and dry on the northeast, but we need to pin out the whole thing time.